So I tried okra on my daughter's hair for the first time and the result was amazing. So in case you're wondering, but why okra? Well, okra is rich in vitamins and minerals. It has natural antioxidants that can transform the health of our hair from roots to tip. So if you're looking for a natural way to keep your hair hydrated, reduce frizz, and encourage growth, then please keep on watching as I share with you how I make and use the okra on her hair in this video. So I started out by, washing my okra. It is very important because it will help get rid of dirt and dust. So after washing my okra, I went ahead to slice the okra, okay? So you can slice it according to however you want, but I said to slice it a bit tiny so that the gel will be more slimy. All right. Now that I am done slicing, this is what was left. Do you know that some people can actually use the head and the tip that they cut out from the okra and it will still give them what they want? Yeah, you can try that. Now I'm going to pour water to my desired I'm going to pour my desired water to the okra and then I'm going to boil it. So I heard something that if you're boiling okra and you want it to be slimy, that you should not cover the pot, and so there. And so yeah, I'm not going to cover the pot while boiling, but while boiling, please boil it for like 5 minutes and it should be ready, okay? When it starts drying like this, it is done. So I bring my okra down and I let it cool down a little bit before I proceed to blending. All right. Now okra is best for hydrating our hair. Okra helps to lock in moisture, making our hair feel softer and look shinier. Anyway, before I forget, I added a little bit of shea butter, but you can totally skip that part. Okra alone is enough. The reason why I added shea butter is because I noticed that my daughter's hair loves grease and oil. So if you don't want that, you can skip it. It doesn't prevent this okra from giving you all the benefit that it will give you, okay? All right guys, so as I started straining the okra, I noticed that the gel is too thick and it was too hot. So I went off camera and I added water so that I can be able to strain it with ease. And guys, please, it is important that you strain it. Don't skip this part, because if you don't strain it, you're going to have particles stuck on your hair, which might take forever to wash out, and you don't want that, okay? So for those with sensitive scalp, okra is a much better option than aloe vera because it has a soothing property and it can also help to condition the scalp, okay? So yeah, this is what my gel is looking like. I still went ahead and added a little bit of water to loosen it because it was still thick, it wasn't the consistency that I was looking for. But if you're good with your consistency, you don't need to add water, okay? Now instead of using the spray bottle, the original cover of this spray bottle, I'm going to use this pump cover so that I can easily pour it out, because I don't think it will be able to spray I don't think it will be able to pass through the spray bottle. All right. Now look at what I mean. So you see it is coming out with ease, and yeah, we are good to go, okay? So yeah, this is my daughter's hair. It is dry and now I'm going to start applying this okra on her hair. So I've been seeing this video of okra and I decided to try it on my daughter's hair for the first time, and like I told you guys, like the result was nice. It was really nice, and so I decided to come here and share with you people. All right, so okra has so many nutrients and vitamins such as vitamin A, vitamin C, and folic acid, which also helps to support hair growth. Okra also helps to reduce breakage by strengthening the hair, which is the reason why you should give it a try if you want to strengthen your hair. All right, now how can you use this okra? You can use okra as a leave-in treatment, all right, where you just apply it on your hair and then follow up with your pomade to seal, right? If you're going to do it like that, I recommend that you just boil it a little and extract the juice. Don't blend it if you're going to use it as a leave-in, okay? Don't blend it, just boil it, extract the juice and extract the gel, and it's okay. All right, if you want to blend it, it's cool. It's totally, the option is yours. All right, another way that you can use okra is as a pre-put treatment, which is what I am doing here. I am about to wash my baby's hair, and so I decided to do this to, you know, pre-put her hair, because it also helps to detangle her hair, and I love to detangle our hair before washing it, so that way we don't lose so much hair. So yeah, I'm using it here as a pre-put treatment. You can also use it as a pre-put treatment if you want, or use it as a leave-in treatment. So you can also use okra as a deep conditioner. That is, after you finish washing your hair, you deep condition with this, just the same way that I'm doing it in this video, but you're going to do it after you finish washing your hair, and then you cover your hair and allow it to sit for 1 hour before washing it out. Yeah, and you can also use okra as an alternative for gel, and you guys have a video on that coming up soon. So yeah, you can also use okra as a natural alternative for alcoholic gel, because we know that the store-bought gel that we are using contains alcohol, and if you're anyway from alcohol, by all means, please, okra is a good alternative to try, and is a much cheaper alternative. I mean, you can use flaxseed, right? It is great, but flaxseed is expensive. So okra is a more cheaper way to, you know, achieve a natural gel without breaking the bank. So while preparing your hair, you can choose to spray water before preparing your hair or do it direct. I tried the both in this method. I want you to pay close attention as I am doing it. In this particular section that I'm working on now, I did not add water. I wanted to see, okay, so how will it feel without water? And you guys, as you can see, it is working. So you can choose to use water or not. The reason why I feel like if you use water is going to be better, because, you know, if you use water, you're like opening your hair, I don't know. And so once you apply the gel, it's going to have like a place to hold on to. I don't know if that makes sense. But if you don't want to spray water first, you are good to go. You can just apply it. Just ensure that you work in section, especially if you have a type 4C hair, okay? It's going to help make the application so easy. I mean, guys, can you see how easily her hair is combing? Like, and let me tell you that I did not count up to 5 strands that came out from this girl's hair. Although I did not show it, I don't know why I often forget to show the strands when doing this form of video. I don't know why I always used to forget, but she did not lose a lot of hair. Okay, so guys, yeah, we tried okra and it was helpful, and I decided to come and share it. After applying this okra on her hair, I'm going to go ahead and cover her hair for 1 hour, after which I'll follow up with my shampoo, and then I'll condition her hair, and that is all. Do you know that if you do this, you don't even need to condition your hair again? And I promise you, her hair was shiny after. Her hair was super shining afterwards. And so yeah, so you should definitely give this okra treatment a try. You never know, natural solutions like this can be a game changer. Okay, so I hope you guys loved this video. Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section, and please do well to like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you also so much for engaging. Thank you for liking, and with that, I'll see you all in my next video. Take care of yourself. Ciao.